Today we will be doing mathematics, which is recommended for grade 10 and 11. So we will be doing algebra and the first section of simplifying equations. So when we talk about simplifying equation, you must always take into consideration Bodmas. So with Bodmas, we know that B stands for brackets, O stands for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So when you do Bodmas, you must always make sure that you first deal with brackets in the equation, and what follows must be, you must put numbers in order, and then you must divide if there are division in the equation, and multiply, and then add and subtract if there is multiplication and addition in the equation. So the first question that we will look into is 78 minus 5 plus 3 into 25 minus 2 plus 10. So as you can see from the Bodmas, we start with brackets. So we must first remove the brackets. So when you're removing the brackets, we must multiply that 3 into 25 is 25, minus 3 by 2 is 6, 3 by 10 is 30, and then we close the brackets. Now, if you can see here, we still have another bracket, which is the big brackets. Sorry. Now, what's left for us? We don't have orders in the equation. We don't have division. We don't have multiplication. We only have addition and subtraction. So from here, guys, now we must look into Bodmas again. Now we no longer have brackets. Now what comes after, we must put the equation in order. So it will be 78 minus 25 minus 30 plus 6 minus 5. So we don't have division and we don't have multiplication. We only have addition and subtraction. So we must first deal with addition, which is this part here. So it will be 78 minus 75 minus 30 plus 6, it will be minus 24 minus 5. Alright, now the equation is already in the correct order of a descending order. So it will be 78, we must start from the bottom going upward, which will be minus 75. Minus 24 minus 5, it will be minus 29. So 78 minus 75, negative 75 minus 29 will give us 104, of which 78 minus 104, it will give us negative 26 as an answer. So guys, if we have to look back into the equation, what we did first, we removed the brackets. From removing the smaller brackets, we remove the bigger brackets by multiplying it with negative, and from there we put the equation in correct order, which is this one, and then look back into it Bodmas. We found out that we don't have division and multiplication, so we must jump into addition and subtraction, of which this is what we did here, and there, and our final answer is negative 26.